everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we'll start with a very interesting art, and these days this is a very famous art form and everybody wants to try their hands on. So I think you can guess it very clearly. Yeah, it's mandala art. People also call it as mandala or mandala. So it's a mandala art where we learn how to create this. Start with it. First I'll talk about the material required. Very simple. We'll use all the material which is present with you at your homes. Okay, so we'll make sure we don't use any fancy items to create this. Otherwise, there are different materials which are to be used in it. Okay, so but for us, it will be the basic material. We require a sheet. We'll be taking a sheet, a pencil, scale. We require a protector, a compass, a gel pen, the thin OHP marker or a gel pen. You can work with both the things. You can use a black gel pen or a thin OHP marker. You can use that also. And if you have a thick marker, just to fill the colors, but we can fill the colors with the same thin marker also. So this is the basic material which we require, and an eraser in the end to rub the lines which we'll create with the pencil. Now this art form needs a lot of calculation, and I'll also talk about its origin, what it is all about and why and how it has been done. Okay, if you are new to this channel, before we start, I want you all to just subscribe the channel, and if you're already a subscriber, I want you all to just like, share and comment. So let's begin. Now when I'm talking about the mandala art is also a spiritual Asian art, and it's derived and mostly created in circles. Now to start with it, what we'll do is we have to take the midpoint of our paper. And how to take this midpoint is, first we will calculate, we'll start with this point. Okay, we never start measuring our scale from here. We started from this first point. So I'm starting from the first point. I'll measure. When I'm measuring it, it's coming as 14. So that means I'll take a midpoint. I'll take a point on 7 centimeters, and the same way I have done it on the other side. I have just calculated it and divided by 2, and I have taken a mid. So, and I have taken 2 points here, and I will just join these 2 points. See, that's very important. What people do is, I have seen them doing, they don't join the 2 points. What they do is they just take a midpoint and they create a line. Then the line will never be straight in case you don't take 2 points and join. So that is one point you have to keep in mind. I've already done it for this part also, and I will just join them. This is my one point, this is my other point, and I'll join. So what I got was a midpoint. I need a midpoint, and after I need a midpoint, I'll just rub this line. Okay, I have to just rub this line, otherwise the things will be little confused. Kept a point here. Now with the help of your compass, we'll make random circles. So the first circle, you might make it with 2 centimeter, or you can just open it randomly and you can create the circle. Now I am randomly opening a little bit and I am creating one more circle. Then randomly you will open it again, and every one circle will have another concentric circle with a little gap, so that whatever pattern and design we are creating, we can just make a parallel design to it. Now this is a very easiest mandala I am teaching you, very easiest mandala. So what you can see is a lot of circles. Now the next point is, we will keep our D here on the center point, right? And we will leave 2 centimeter gap, like it's 180. I'll take a point at 160. I'll take a point at 140. I'll take a point at 120, 100, 80. So I have to leave one, I have to take the other one. Okay, so 2 points. I'll leave 70, I'll take it on 60. I'm talking about the above one, not the red one. Okay, so you can take any. It's just we are taking one and leaving the other one. Okay, then I have done it on 40, then it will be 20, and then it will be on 0. The same thing we will do it on the other side. Now we will join these from the center point, and we let these lines go outside it. It's okay, perfectly okay. Now this is the basic calculation we need to do. Okay, without this it will be difficult for us to create a beautiful mandala, because if the things are not equal, it will not look that beautiful. Now, as I was telling you, it's the spiritual world, and it's usually made in circles, though we can make it in different designs and patterns, but usually it's made in circles, and it helps us to heal. It has that relaxation process. When you see these mandalas, your brain tend to relax itself. So just try it with me. Now I am making it directly with the pen. You can always start with the pencil and then overlap it with the pen. You can do that also. The first step is, what we will do is, here within the first circle we will be making a U shape, and we'll joining it till the end point. You have to make sure you have to make it inside it, so you will keep moving your hand and your paper. Now we'll make this circle, but you have to make it very patiently. Make it small lines, because in the compass we cannot fit our pen and do this, so do it very patiently. Now the next is, what we will do is, we will take any 2 points and then create it. Right, I'll make this leaf shape. I'm going till this point and I'm coming back here. Now we will create a pattern inside it. So right now I'm making a straight line. Now I will make some slanting lines. Now the next step is, we will make one more this shape on this line. Okay, so that's why we made these lines. I'm starting from this point. I'll go to this point and again this point. You can make straight lines also. I am just making a little curvy line. Very patiently fill the colors. Don't make sure it doesn't come out. That is very important, so that the filled area will give a very fuller effect to this painting, this art. We can also create this art with the sketch pens and multicolors, but right now, because it's the first try for you all, so do it with black pen only, and then we can do a lot of variations in it. Now the next is, again from this point, Now in this one we can also fill the colors like this, or you can create a pattern also. Now it depends upon your choice what you want to do in it. Now as you can see, we have completed the mandala. Now what we will do is we'll rub these extra lines. For that we have to wait for a little while. Hope you all enjoyed creating this simple yet easy and beautiful mandala along with me. And relax your minds, be happy, that is very important. As you all know that these mandalas, they relax your brain. So especially in these times of pandemic, do try, give them a try and feel relaxed from your brain itself. Hope you all enjoyed making it. See, I've already done the rubbing part. Hope you all enjoyed making it. Stay happy and everyone, and of course don't forget to subscribe the channel and do share it with your family and friends. Bye everyone. Take care.